Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I am showing simple lunch combo. So let's get started. Do check the description for detailed measurement. I'll be making ghee rice and dal fry and chicken potato sukka. So first I'll make dal fry. Take equal quantity of Thoor dal and Masoor dal. Wash and drain. Add green chillies, chopped tomato, garlic cloves, chopped onion, turmeric powder, water. Cook in a pressure cooker for 4 whistles. After the pressure is down, open it and blend the dals. You can do it with a whisk. I am using blender. Take a pan. Now temper the dal. Ghee, cumin seed, red chilli, chopped onion, chilli powder. Saute a few minutes. Now pour the dal in the pan. That's it. Now chicken chukka. The recipe is already in my channel. I have added the link for chicken chukka in the description box. Do check it. I'm just adding some potatoes with it. It's the same style. Tomato, red chilli powder, turmeric powder. Now add ginger garlic paste. Boneless chicken. Diced potato. Salt. That's it. Same style. You can check the description box. Next I am making bagara rice, ghee rice. Take a pan, add a ghee, 4 tablespoons, whole spices, cinnamon stick, elaichi, cardamom and cloves. Now chopped onion. Saute a few minutes. Add little bit salt. Ginger garlic paste. Saute very well. Now add water. I have already soaked my rice for 15 minutes. Now you can add green chilli, coriander leaves, mint leaves, that's it. I am using Basmati rice today. For 1 cup rice of 1 cup water. When the border When the rice is 80% done, I am keeping my flame to low. After a few minutes, I'll switch off the flame. That's it. My yummy dal fry, chicken sukka, and ghee rice is ready to serve. If you like my videos, do like, share, and subscribe my channel. I'll meet you all again inshallah with another yummy recipes. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.